So now doing the pool, we're gonna take some glamour pictures of the pool off, look at the vessel before the cleaning system turns on, so we can get a better look at the Pebble Tech surface. An anti-vortex drain, got a drain located up on the side, got a pool light. We've got underground jets or in-ground jets that pop up, and they pop up randomly or in order but slowly. The cover to the skimmer box is cracked. Yeah, pool is way too full. It's rained here the last few days, so we've got excess water. But all we're gonna do is push this down, make sure we get water. That's coming from that backwash preventer that we saw. Then over here we got the skimmer box. Got some chlorine tablets down in there. Skimmer basket looks fine though. And just leave these off. Put this one back on. I want to see how the water goes down in the skimmer basket with the system on. Okay. We do have a water feature wall here. Make sure that works. Take a look behind it if we can get back there. Right. We got one PVC pipe coming up from the ground, carries all the water, and then it just splits out. And this piping has only been here for 3 years, and you can already see what the UV light is doing to it. This is why we paint paint PVC pipe, is to protect it from the UV light. We'll get this fired up, make sure it's not leaking. Vessel looks good and clean. Hot tub, basically the same thing. A couple pop-up jets, a couple drains on the bottom. Some jets on the side to help circulate the water. Alright, pool equipment. It's always best to have your pool equipment covered. Here's your cleaning system manifold. All your valves seem to be properly labeled, which is awesome. They look like electronic valves. So, let's see what we got for electrical. Filter pump. Test that. Reset that. Lights controls. We're going to have a light connected over there. There's a spot for that cord to go in. It's just not being utilized. Yeah, we should have a cover that stays closed all the time. Let's see if we can fire this thing up. Turn on that, turn on the pool light, turn on the spa light. We won't turn on the air blower until we get water going. Oh, we've got a variable speed pump. Tensor and teleflow. Very efficient systems. We got a button for the heater. We got that valve's open, that valve's open, that valve's open. That's it. Light is on. I can't see if the light is on in the pool. There we go. Must have pushed the button twice. Yep. Now the light's on in the pool. Good to go. Just let that clean for a little bit at a slower speed. Cartridge water filter, you're gonna have to pull that out and clean it, physically clean it, and then you can put it back in. You can reuse it. A little low pressure until that thing kicks up to a higher speed. The other water heater is like a water cleaning system, and the fountain are connected to a wireless system. We're going to try and find a remote inside. Pool heater. Can't get the heater, even the light to turn on. Not sure why. We'll come back to that.